Oh, hey Buckman friends. I bet you're wondering about this sweet necklace I'm wearing. It's actually all made from recycled magazines. Let me show you how I made it. The materials you'll need are recycled magazines, scissors, some kind of straw or stick, and some kind of glue stick, or tape. To start, pick a page in one of your magazines that has a color you'd like to use for your bead. When you find that page, carefully rip it out of the magazine. Remember to ask permission before you rip any pages out of any magazine. Then, cut strips from the page, starting on the long end of the page, that are as big as you'd like your bead to be. I think it's good to go with about an inch or less. These strips do not have to be even or perfect. In fact, if they are smaller on one side and get bigger as they go up, it actually sometimes works a little bit better. Next, get your glue, tape, and stick or straw or pencil out and set up with some kind of messy mat or some kind of scrap paper underneath you, because what we're about to do is going to get glue on the table. Take your straw or your pencil and take your first strip, lay your straw on top, and wrap the strip around the straw as tightly as you can. When you get almost to the end, but have a tail of about 2 or 3 inches left, take your glue, it's best to have the top off before you start, and put a decent amount of glue on that whole tail. Then continue to wrap all the way to the end. When you get to the very end, squeeze the tail against the straw and count to 10. Take your bead, slide it off the straw, and you've got your first bead. If you're using white glue, start the same way. Wrap the magazine around the straw or pencil as tightly as you can. When you get almost to the end, add a decent amount of glue all the way to the tip. Don't be afraid to use too much. More glue is better. Carefully keep rolling your bead into the glue. Might get on your fingers, that's okay. And just like with the glue stick, when you get to the end, squeeze it and count to 10. Then slide your bead off the straw. If you're using tape, it's best to pull a little piece off first and get it ready on the edge of your table. Then, just like when you use the glue stick, wrap the magazine strip around the straw or pencil as tightly as you can. When you get to the very end, take your clear tape and wrap it around the bead and slide your bead off. Let all of your beads dry for a while before you start to string them on your necklace or your bracelet. When you're ready to start stringing, cut a piece of string, which could be yarn or found string, whatever you happen to have, and then take one end of that string and push it through each bead. Add as many as you'd like. Feel free to add a pattern of color if you'd like.